One of the longest-serving American Supreme Court justices has just announced that he's stepping down. Justice Stephen Breyer's decision could have major ramifications to the United States highest court and, of course, the political landscape.
Justice Stephen Breyer announcing plans to retire from the Supreme Court after initially resisting a persistent drumbeat of calls to step down. Breyer told CNN last summer he relished being the senior-most justice of the liberal wing and said he would only consider two things when deciding whether to leave: his health and the court. And he's been quite vocal in public speeches over the past year about the danger of politics permeating the high court.
If the public sees judges as politicians in robes, its confidence in the courts and in the rule of law itself can only diminish.
But after serving 27 years on the Supreme Court, Justice Breyer is stepping down at age 83 after a forceful push from Democratic activists who point out that they have a short window and a slim majority in Congress to push through a replacement. The group Demand Justice even paraded this mobile billboard around Capitol Hill, urging Breyer to retire in early April. Justice Breyer played a leading role in key decisions last term, writing the opinion that rejected a challenge to the Affordable Care Act and left the law in place. He also wrote the decisions bolstering student speech rights and giving Google a victory in a multi-billion-dollar copyright infringement case. Breyer is leaving the court after publishing a book in September based around the speech he gave at Harvard last spring, where he expressed concern about the common practice of referring to justices by the president who appointed them.
I think, or I fear, that these are more than straws in the wind. They reinforce the thought that's likely present already in your minds that Supreme Court justices are primarily political officials, or let's call them junior league politicians.
And he warned against Democratic proposals to add more justices to the Supreme Court.
What I'm trying to do is to make those whose initial instincts may favor important structural change or other similar institutional changes, such as forms of court packing, think long and hard before they embody those changes in law.